How to get a high score in Block Blast? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to get a super high score in Block Blast. If you're looking to beat your friends' scores or just improve your own, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, make sure you understand how Block Blast works. The goal is to clear lines by filling them with blocks. Try planning ahead. Don't just place blocks randomly. Take a moment to look at the upcoming blocks and plan your moves. Think about how you can create multiple lines at once. Your main goal should be to clear as many lines as possible with each move. Clearing multiple lines at once gives you bonus points. Try to avoid filling up the board with small blocks. Leave some room for the larger blocks that come later. Watch for combos. Clearing multiple lines in quick succession creates combos, which give you even more points. Aim for these whenever possible. Don't rush your moves. Take your time to think and plan. Panic moves often lead to mistakes and lower scores. And there you have it. Now you know how to get a high score in Block Blast. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what your high score is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.